Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to close your Citibank account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So what you want to do is go to citi.com right here if you've not already. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and download and open up the Citibank application. So once you've done so and open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started, and the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. So what you want to do is to log into your account that you want to close. If you do not already have an online account, what you can do is just register for one or activate it from your bank account, and now you can go and log in normally to close it. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to be your dashboard where you can take a look at your balance, all your payments due, and so on. And now we can get started with closing our account. So as you can see right here on the official Citibank website, we have the steps on how to get started with account closures. So to close an account, we are going to contact our account manager or documentation specialist to discuss requirements and receive an account closure checklist and request form. So this is going to enable us to fill in all the relevant fields, transfer the funds via Citi Direct to zero the account balance, and then we can get started with closing our account. So you want to contact your account manager. If you're not sure who your account manager is, you can go ahead and call the bank themselves, ask for help, say that you want to close your account, and they're going to lead you the rest of the steps. So basically that's how you can get started with closing your account. You'll need to fill out a form. You cannot do it directly from the website itself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.